Have you ever wondered what the future of construction might look like? We're witnessing a renaissance of innovation, introducing new techniques that are revolutionizing the industry. Enter three-dimensional concrete printing, a true game changer. Now, imagine a world where buildings are printed instead of built. Sounds incredible, right? But how does this 3D concrete printing work? Let's unravel this mystery. Imagine you're creating a sculpture, but instead of chiseling away at a block of stone, you're adding layers upon layers to build your masterpiece. That's the essence of 3D concrete printing. It all starts with a digital blueprint. This is a 3D design of the structure created using computer software. It's like a detailed map that guides the printer, showing it where to place each layer of concrete. Next, we prepare the concrete mix. This isn't your average concrete, mind you. It's a specially formulated blend designed to flow smoothly through the printer, yet be sturdy enough to support the layers above it. Then comes the star of the show, the 3D printer. This isn't your desktop 3D printer, but a colossal machine that follows the digital blueprint, carefully extruding the concrete mix layer by layer. It's a mesmerizing sight, as the structure slowly but surely takes shape. Finally, we let nature take its course. The structure needs time to cure, a process where it hardens and strengthens. It's like waiting for a cake to bake, but instead of a sweet treat, you get a robust, ready-to-use building. And voila, that's how a building gets printed. It's not magic, it's technology. So we've taken a peek into the future of construction. We've seen how 3D concrete printing simplifies and streamlines the building process. This innovative technology brings designs to life with unprecedented efficiency and precision. Imagine a world where intricate architectural forms are no longer a challenge but a standard, where construction waste is dramatically reduced and buildings rise faster than ever before. The future of construction is here, and it's as exciting as it sounds. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.